I have had a few rather lovely people asking me about my own work, so I thought I would take you on a very short little tour around my house. And you can see some of the paintings that I've done over the last few years, and starting with this one here. So this one is called Sunshine Festival. And as some of you know, I live by the sea in southwest England in Dorset, and we have lots and lots of seaside festivals. And so this is just kind of a celebration of that. And this is acrylic on canvas. So let's have a look at this one. This was in an exhibition quite recently, and I've done a few prints of it as well because people seem to like it. It's called Full of Joy. And it's just a kind of a playful doodle, really, and with lots of colour, lots of bright things going on, and then this little marble in the middle like that. And this painting here was also in the same exhibition, and it's called Sometimes Dancing is the Only Option. I do quite like funny titles for my work. Again, this is acrylic and mixed media on canvas. Coming over here, got a picture of my mum and dad, so which is always lovely. Oh, and a picture of me and Jonathan when we got married. So up here is one of the many flower festival paintings. I've got quite a few of these. I've sold quite a lot of these as well. People do seem to like them. These are acrylic on canvas, and that is one I did quite a long time ago, actually. Sort of like very bright. I was into my neon, seriously into my neon mood at that point. Sometimes I will do something that's a little bit more somber. There's my little still life. This is oils, oil on canvas, and I wanted it to be just a little bit more subtle and get away from the neon just a little bit. And then we're coming to these ones. These are quite a few years old now. So again, just sort of bright, joyful pieces. And then this one is really quite old, and it's called Catwalk High Street. And it's just lots and lots of quirky buildings and great fun. And this is oils on canvas. And I've got another one that goes with this because they were part of a pair. This is the other one, and this is called Catwalk and the Frock Shop. So again, quirky little people. And then another one of my flower pieces, which are always very fun to do. And then just coming into another bit of my house and another one of my flower paintings. So this is acrylic paint on canvas. I think some of you might recognize the styles now. And that I don't take myself that seriously. We have another seaside festival one, which is I just love doing these. They are such good fun to do. I'll finish off with this one that sits in my kitchen. So it just makes me smile every morning when I'm making my tea. And then finally for today, I thought I'd show you the two pieces that I'm working on at the moment. So I've just started to put some more details on this one, but this one I only started yesterday. So I've just done some underpainting. That's it really. That's all I've done on these two. So these are for an exhibition later in the year. And I tend to have 2 or 3 canvases going at any one time. It's just the way I work. Well, thank you for joining me on this little tour of some of my artwork, and I hope that you will join me for art tutorials every Monday and Friday here on YouTube. And now it's time for another cup of coffee. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.